Alright guys, we're getting some snow. Probably can't see that real well. But we're getting quite a bit of snow. It's nice and heavy and wet, and gives me a good chance to test out the old simplicity here with without any chains. As you recall, we just got the wheel weights, 50 pounds on each, and then the weights off the back, 200 pounds of that. So we're going to see how this baby works without any chains. It's handled the light stuff. It's handled the light stuff fine so far, but it's only been a couple inches, 3 inches at the most. So this will be a good test. Let me give it a cold start, and then we'll set up the camera. It's really not that cold. It's only about 32 degrees out. Alright. That's cute. Nice. You gotta be kidding me. Well, this is real special. I did this the other day, but just one time. Well, I don't know what to do here. I guess I gotta bang on the starter or something. Let's try it again. Alright, well, let's try it again here. Mess with it a little bit. Got lucky. Wet stuff.